Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. I hope that you are having or have a wonderful date or a date with yourself or with your friends. Okay, hold on. Okay, no chat, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh, cloth. Give me something. Okay, we got AEU. How about AEU, all out of order. EUA. Okay. Okay. How about, what if I do the word, no, that's so bad. How about pairs? Let's try this. Gets information. Oh, we got an S. Oh, okay. So we have an S, A, oh wait, S something, A, E. E is probably the last. How? Oh, I got it. Thank you, everyone. Wait. Oh, I actually have it. I have it. It's, no, it's not. It's S. It's like shave. It's shave, but it's not. No, it's not. It's like, huh. I'm so wrong. So there's an A, an E, a U. Oh, sorry. There's a U in there and an S. Oh, that's easy. What? So it's probably like S, X, A, S, U, A. Oh, it's suave. Thank you so much. What? It's not suave? Oh, I got it. It's USA. Usurp. No. What? Huh? I'm missing something. ASE? UXASE? What? Wait. ASE. Totally could be ASE. U has to be here? Uace. Ulace. Uace. Usace. Ucase. Unace. Uface. Ugace. Ujace. Ubase. Maybe it's not this. Maybe it's this. UAE. And it's like SX. No, it's like XSAUE. No. I think it's something ASE. What? God, I love Wordle. Tickles my brain. Erase? No. Erase. Erase? No. This is so easy. Wait, I have so many hints right now. Right? So it's like this. XXAXE, right? What do we know? So we know there's an S and a U. The S is not here or here. So it has to be either here or here. So it's either U, it's okay, S-A or A-S, it has to be this. It has to be that. So that means now the U has to be, okay, we're back at where we were. U-ace, U-ace, U-gace, U-axace, U-case, U-jace, U-face. I don't know this word. U-case? What? The S is there? Ooh. X. Ooh. Huh. You safe? Usain? Usaim. Usays? I can't do this. There's no way. Wait. What? U-S-A something E. Usagi. Usagi? Okay, I guess it's the... What is... Oh! Usage. Usage. Oh, okay, it's one of those things where it, oh my god, I know what usage is, but like, oh god. Usagi. Well, it's usage. We got it. All right, everyone, that's the Wordle for tonight. We're done. Okay, I'm going to bed. Clearly, my brain is fried. I could have nailed that earlier in the day, but because my brain's fried. Thank you so much. Okay. All right.
Tell me how I am, you're wrong!